The Supreme Court has given a major relief to Congress leader Pawan Khera by granting him an interim relief, an interim bail after he was arrested by the Assam police. Sunil Prabhu now joining us for the latest on that. Sunil, a big win for Pawan Khera. What all did the Supreme Court say while granting him that interim bail?
Well, Priyanshi, as you have rightly pointed out, this has been quite an extraordinary day. We were the first channel to put out those visuals of how Mr. Pawan Khera was being detained, the protests that took place in the Congress by the Congress leaders and workers on the tarmac of the airport, and finally an unprecedented situation, extraordinary situation where the Chief Justice of India, while hearing a constitutional judge bench, really agreeing to list this matter, constituting a court, and then deciding to give interim protection to Mr. Pawan Khera, even though he made that last remark as he got up to say, we are protecting your client, but there is a level of discourse. This after the judges had to confer amongst each other for a long time. The video of Pawan Khera had to be heard not once but thrice in the Supreme Court. And then, of course, finally, the court citing the Arnab Goswami case of clubbing the FIRs and saying that this will need to be looked at, and about the provisions and the points that have been put out in terms of, 153A, 295, 500, 504, all those points that are there under sections of IPC, whether it really leads to enmity. These are points that will have to be discussed further. The Assam police kept on harping on the point that this is the Prime Minister of this country. This has been done deliberately. Mr. Pawan Khera himself, on behalf of his lawyer, making it clear that he will give an unconditional apology, that it was inadvertent, and that he had already apologized and said this was a slip of the tongue. Finally, the court's agreeing to hear this matter again. It's been listed for Monday. They will look at the entire deliberations on how to take it forward, but saying and making it clear that the jurisdictional court, that is Dwarka, where the Assam police said that he's gone for medical examination and then will be taken to Dwarka, the jurisdictional court will give interim bail to Mr. Pawan Khera and protect him till Tuesday, when this court will hear the matter. As I said, the Supreme Court is going to now address this entire issue subsequently on Monday and then take this forward. So a huge relief. It's been unprecedented, shocking visuals at the tarmac of the airport, whether there was an arrest warrant or not, that a letter of writing for assistance from the SI being given to the SHO, Delhi Police, and then you saw those entire scenes unfold. It's been an interesting day, something that had not been written or scripted. Clearly, quite a turn of events. Finally, the Supreme Court giving relief to Pawan Khera.